Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that a point lies on the line and we are supposed to find the unknown coordinate, in this case the value of q. Now the moment they share with us that a point is on the line, that means I can safely say that if this is going to be my x, then the corresponding value of -3 will be here, the y coordinate, and they should satisfy this equation, y equals to x minus 5. And therefore all we have to do is to substitute this point into the equation as such. So y will become -3 when x, which is q, is, and when that happens, so to share with you, q is my x now, y is my -3. Okay? And once you have that, you can find the value of q easily. I just need to plus q on both sides so that I could remove the q on my right hand side and I'm only left with q. On my left hand side, I will have to add the 5 in, and therefore final answer, this will give me +2, and I have successfully gotten the value of q. Q equals to +2. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.